Good day, family. Today I have a message that I actually been forced to send. This is the part of my job that I do not like as a deadwood doula. When I have to send messages of fear, but this message is not about that. Listen to it. Lately, this week particularly, I have been having dreams of funerals. There are so many people being buried and all that. I'm seeing people crying, and oh my God, it's just a sad scene. And I'm here as I've been sent to tell you that well, this is difficult. Death is not a punishment to the person that passes on, nor is it a punishment to us. It is part of the process. Some of us will not reach 100 years, some of us will not reach 70, 50, 40. That is the process of life. Now, I have been sent actually to encourage you to continue bettering yourself, to continue awakening and learning about yourself. What do you possess within you? The power, the creation that you have within you, the healing that you have within you that you do not tap into. I have been told to tell you that, to encourage you to start focusing on your emotions, focus on your mentality, focus on your physical being, focus on your spiritual being, focus on your financial being while you still have a chance to be here. You can never pray or phahla death away, especially when someone has been called to cross over. Death that we can pray for, that in fact when someone is sick we will pray, we will phahla so that they can have impilo. But if it doesn't go that way, we know that it is not our will, it is the will of the universe, it is the will of the spiritual world, and those who believe in angels, it is all that. Let us live our lives to the fullest. We only have this chance. We only have this human experience. I have been told to emphasize this. Work on yourself, work on yourself, work on yourself, work on yourself, so that you don't get to discover who you are in your deathbed. It's your sister, Lusanda H. Grow with me. I hope that you took the positive side of this message, because honestly, there's so much coming for us. Thina bantu basesenyameni kuningi okuzayo. Now we need to deal with death in another aspect, where we understand that it is a process of life and it's not going anywhere. It's your sister Lusanda H. Grow with me.